You guys are getting request failed in Cash Sharp and you're trying to request money from your friend. And every single time you try to do it, it says the same thing again and again and again. Well, you guys are watching the right video, because by the end of this video, you guys are going to be able to fix your Cash App request failed. Yes, this problem is called a request failed. And I'll teach you guys how we guys can fix it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for future video. And if you guys have any questions, you can feel free to ask us in the comment, I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first step is make sure the cash tag of your friend which you are typing under Cash App is correct, because sometimes most of the people type a wrong cash tag and basically account under that cash that doesn't exist, which leads to it saying request failed. So make sure to check if the cash tag you entered in the Cash App is correct. And the other thing is you got to update your Cash App, because sometimes people forget to update their Cash App. And basically, they're not able to use the Cash App properly. So make sure to update your Cash App. And even after updating your Cash App, if it's still not fixed. The other thing you can do is check your internet connection is slow. Because sometimes due to slow internet connection, it says Cash App request failed. And even after having a fast internet, you're still facing the problem. What you can do is close your Cash App, hold on your Cash App, going up in Fogo and where it says storage. And read this clear data, click on it. Click on OK. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the data of Cash App stored in your phone. Once you do that, try to open a Cash App is going to ask you to re-log in into your account again after you do this. The process which I just did, if you guys are using Cash App and iPhone, the process is called offloading the right. You can just search on YouTube typing how to offload app on an iPhone, they're going to show you the process, and you can offload Cash App right. After you do that, re-log in into your account. As I said, and your Cash App should work. You just try to request your friend, it should work. If it still doesn't work, your very last attempt, just delete your cache and reinstall it again and it should be fixed. Alright. And remember, if you're trying to send, money request to a friend whose account is banned, it's also going to say request failed. So just keep that in mind, right? So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.